Go tell that long-tongued liar. Go tell that midnight rider. Sooner or later, God's gonna cut you down. Sooner or later, gonna cut you down. What are we looking for? Talking about the idea that we're all supposed to be connected. How long does it take before we realize we're not just of the animals, we are the animals. And we're supposed to be something special of the animals. Sooner or later, God's gonna cut you down. You can come up with your idea of God all day you want. But here we are in a place, we're in like a nexus. A nexus? I don't think that's the word. A nexus is a place where we all come together. Certainly, that's a word. What? It's not just a nexus. We're coming together as an entity. We are supposed to be one mind right now, with individual thoughts, processing. That's why they put people in places. They're like, okay, somebody's got to speak for us because we can't do it all by ourselves. It's not a nexus. It's not an affinity. It is an entity. How are we to go forward? And we keep thinking, well, who can tell us how to go forward? I told you once before, it's time I stop acting like I don't know everything. We're here. I know. These things that I speak of, they're talking about everything. All I want to know is who's going to pay for the tent that they put in my backyard. I think I got it. I hope you weren't expecting anything more out of this. It's just a simple truth. Sooner or later, they're gonna cut you down. We don't have to be cut down. We don't have to be cut down. We can work together. And you know what? There's a real good time coming in the future. I think we're gonna be all right.